Wake up!
What is it, dude?
A human has fallen from the surface world!
Really? And you got a bone to pick with him?
No time for puns!
Come on, that was a real rib tickler. Hey!
Enough!
Alright, here we go again.
Welcome to the underground!
How was the fall? Give us a call.
We don't see humans often.
We're happy you just dropped in.
I'll be so popular when I show all the monsters what I just brought in.
Hey, Papyrus, mind your manners.
Tennis Sans, no time for banter.
Excuse my brother, he's a bit eccentric.
You're just lazy and apathetic.
Call me what you want, I got thick skin.
Another bad joke and I'm finished with him. We are monsters, the awfulest kind.
To mess with us takes a lot of spine.
We can relate to your determination, because we monsters have our motivation. Humans betrayed us and left us burning. One day we'll make our way back to the surface. Through all your travels, your sins will follow. Your consequences aren't easy to swallow. last line of the chorus is a pun.
Yup.
You imbecile! That was very clever.
Thanks, buddy.
You're stuck in the underground.
Thanks to the ball.
Good luck ever getting out.
Prepare to brawl.
You could show mercy to us,
Or turn all of us to dust.
is your heart full of evil?
Or full of love.
I, the great papyrus, challenge you to try getting by us.
Test the human with one of your puzzles.
Brilliant sands that will leave you befuddled. I dare you to try a bite of spaghetti.
Smells like the creepy pasta's ready.
Stop it, Sands, I'm done with the joking.
Sounds like someone's funny bone broken.
We can relate to your determination, because we monsters have our motivations. I am the mastermind, he's my apprentice.
You're only still alive because I made a promise.
You'll lose your mind when you wander for hours. You might even decide to start talking to flowers. Who's the real monster? Now you should know. You've cut this story down to the bone. Someday I'll join the royal guard when I catch this child. Can it be that hard?
Well, keep on being honest. My brother ain't nothing but harmless. I know you and all that you want. You'll get a lot more from sayings that are fun. The deeper you go, the messier it gets. If I had it my way, you'd already be dead. Kidding, if you couldn't tell, I get so bored I amuse myself.
Down here in the underground,
You're all alone.
we wanted to tell you now.
You're kinda boned.
If you survive this prison,
You will know nihilism.
don't mess around with monsters.
They're scared of tiny children.
You come far, but soon you'll stumble when I stump you with some junior jumble.
Not so sure you'll get 'em with that.
Alas, I'll hit him with my special attack. Leave me alone.
You know I got a knack for the trombone.
One more pun and I'll be done.
But ain't two skulls better than one?
We can relate to your determination, because we monsters have our motivations. You know your story's already been told. We can play again if you sell your soul.
I've got my eye on you, so you just watch it. I'll find any skeletons inside your closet.
Who's the real monster? Now you should know. You cut this story down to the bone.
Where what lies beneath your feet, all around where demons sleep. I will uproot these evil seeds. My fist to keep the peace.
I told them one day I'd become the most powerful being across the dimensions. And they told me to go to hell. So you know what? I did.
And it might sound ludicrous, but that's the truth, and I'll prove it, bitch. Welcome to hell, I'm moving in. Someone tell the devil I'm gonna ruin there.